Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today, come with me. We are going to a bookshop to buy a books. Come children with me. Let's buy a book. See? Oh, we came to the bookshop. See, different books are lying in the rack, shelf. This is called a shelf where books are kept in a proper way, arranged in a proper systematic way. Can you see the picture book? Which help us to study properly, and we are ready to read out the books at the same time we pick up the books and start reading the books. See, can you see the picture of garden? Drawing books are there, dictionary books are there, skinny books are there, little fat books are there. So different types of books are there. Okay, let's begin with our lesson. Going to buy a books. One day, grandfather gave my brother and me some money. Go and buy books, he said. We were both very happy. We both loved to read. Now, in this paragraph, one day grandfather gave brother some money and tell him that go and buy books. So we both, brother and sister, both were very happy and both love to read the books. Should we go now? Should we go later? Later means afterward. Should we go today? Should we go tomorrow? We decided to go right now. Now, in this paragraph, what they say, they are thinking that should we go now? Abhi jaye hum? Should we go later? Later means afterward we will go, or we should go today or tomorrow. Tomorrow means on the next day. We decided to go right now. Right now means just now. Now, what they talking? Let's say. Should we go to the big market? Should we go to the small shop? Should we go with somebody? Should we go alone? We decided to go to the small shop, just the two of us. Now, they were talking to each other that should we go to the big market or a small shop, or we should go with somebody, or we should go alone. Alone means nobody is coming with us, when no one else is present with us. That is called alone. So they decided to go to the small shop, and they both will only go and buy the books. Nobody is going to come with them. We like the small bookshop. It is small, but it has many books. The man in the shop likes us. He always helps us. Now, where do we like the small book? Now they like the small bookshops. It is small. Bookshop was a very small, but it has many books. The man in the shop likes us. The person who sells the book is a bookseller. So man in the shop also likes the children. He always helps us. He helps the children to find out the books, which books they should buy and read out. Should I buy a book with a lot of pictures? Should I buy a book with a lot of stories? Should I buy a thin book? I could not decide. Now, they were thinking that should I buy a book with a lots of picture, or should I buy a book with a lots of stories? Should I buy a thin book, or I could not decide. They are not able to decide that which type of book we should buy. I could buy a picture books or a story books. So, who will help them? Let's say. We did not know which book to buy. The man in the shop smiled at us. Relax, come with me. Now the man in the shop said that, come, relax and come with me, and smiled on us. These books are about animals. These are the books related to animals. Those are about machines. Though machines means mechanical device. Machines work with the help of electrical or some device, electrical device is there connected with electrical device that work on it. So these are machines. Those over there are about wars. Wars means we fight with the persons on the boundary line. That is called a war. Between two nations we have a war. Battle, it is called a take what you want. Now here the man smiled to them and said that relax, come with me. I will show you the books related to animals, related to machines and about wars. Now you decided which type of books you want to buy. I picked some books. My brother picked some books. I sat on the floor. He sat on the chair. And we read and we read and we read. Now they both have picked some books. Brother had picked some books and sister also picked some books. Girl sit on the floor and the boy sit on the chair and started reading the book. It was very quiet. Quiet means silent. There was no sound. When we go to the library, then we have to read the book silently without making noise. So in the same way, they also started reading the books and no sound was there. It was very silent, quiet. It was very quiet. There was no sound. 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. Finally, we knew which books to buy. Now, while reading the books, 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed. They don't know the time also that where the time has spent while reading the books. And finally, they decided that which books they want to buy. The man in the bookshop smiled at us. I got a fat book with many stories. Now the man in the bookshop smiled to them, and a girl is saying that I got a fat book with many stories. Girl has bought the book which has many stories. My brother got a big book with many pictures. My brother has buy a book with many pictures. We ran home to our grandfather. We climbed on his bed. He put his arms around us and then we read and read and read. Finally means after a long time, and climb means go up or rise to a higher point. So I hope you understand the story going to buy a book, and I hope that you will every day read one book before sleeping, one page of the book in English language, so you can able to speak out English fluently, and you will able to write it and frame the sentence in a English language proper way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.